Hey guys, welcome back. There's a train coming down this way.
We got so many train videos today. We're gonna send them all.
I'm posting all the videos of trains that I see today. And there's Jacob. Here, Jacob. Oh wait, no, let's just stay down here. I was gonna say let's go up there, but no, I'm staying down here. Step back. Step back a little bit. At least until he passes. Well, at least until this guy passes.
How many crabs are that fish?
I don't know. I don't know how many crabs are on it.
Crabs?
Crabs. It's another NS. It looks like it's just one engine. Yeah, now we're just waiting on him down there. Once he gets up here, that'll be the 5th train of the night. See him moving.
That was cruising. They're both for cruising, bruh.
Alright guys, I will update you when the next train comes. Hell yeah! Alright!